Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to jumpstart a Buick Envision, updated. Open the hood and find the battery and designated jump terminal under the plastic cover. Attach the red cable to the positive terminal on the donor car and the positive on the Envision. Connect the black cable to the donor negative and a solid metal ground on the Envision away from the battery. Start the donor, then the Envision, then remove cables in reverse order. Begin by positioning both cars for safe access and turning every accessory off to avoid electrical spikes. Remove any battery covers and identify positive and negative terminals clearly. Connect the red clamp to the donor positive terminal and then to the Envision positive terminal, followed by the black clamp to donor negative and a clean metal ground on the Envision. Start the donor and let it run for several minutes, then attempt to start your Envision gently. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so we can keep making useful car guides. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It adds music and handy voice controls while you work on your car and won't get in the way of tools. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Always prioritize safety when jump-starting a vehicle and avoid shortcuts that risk sparks or injury. Use insulated clamps and secure cable connections to prevent accidental contact between clamps. If the battery is hot, cracked, or leaking, do not attempt to jump and seek professional help. After a successful start, let the engine run to recharge the battery and consider testing the battery and charging system to avoid repeated problems on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.